Today we're making peanut butter cookies.
From scratch. Man, peanut butter cookies. You know what would be really good with these peanut butter cookies?
What?
Some Reese's Pieces.
But
Hey, don't even say it, because I know what you're getting at. Stand up. Stand up. Got him.
Thanks, Joe. This is Joe. He's my uncle, and so he's here on the channel, so I'm gonna give him this apron.
Thank you. I'm a baking ninja.
The recipe we're doing today is very simple. It's only 4 ingredients. A cup of peanut butter, a cup of sugar, a single egg, and half a cup of Reese's Pieces.
Now, we're going to take all 3 ingredients, we're going to put them in this mixing bowl. We're going to stir until smooth.
Now we've got our dough here and it's filled with Reese's Pieces. So now what we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees and put it onto a tray.
After you put the dough on the tray, you'll take your fork and you start mashing them down in a crisscross pattern. So now we're going to take our cookies, we're going to place them in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. Again, that's 350 degrees for 12 minutes.
And now that the cookies are out of the oven, you're gonna want to let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes and then put them on a cookie rack if you have one.
Well, there we have it, folks. Papa Joe's famous peanut butter cookies with Reese's Pieces. As far as flavor, I give them a 9 out of 10. You guys want to try out the recipe, let these 2 guys that don't know what they're doing know. For those of you that don't want to try it, y'all can buy these. I'm selling them 1 for $7, 2 for $10. Hit me up. Bye!
Bye!
Weird.
Get on the floor, Joe.
Hey, but can you guys put your hands out there and help me up?
No, it's better if you just slowly crawl up like a creature of the underworld.
I'm about to be one. You guys want to start getting this right? Peanut butter cookies. You know what'd be really good with these peanut butter cookies?
What, Joe?
Some Reese's Pieces.
Get on the floor, Joe.
Oh God, I'm not doing that again. I'd rather walk out of the fridge and get back on the floor.
That would be so cool.
No. Whoa, you know what'd be really good with these peanut butter cookies?
What,
Some
Joe?
Reese's Pieces.
You guys are making this very difficult for me.
What happened?
We're not. We're doing this now. Josh,
Okay.
no more fooling. None. I don't appreciate this. Joe, you're not even eating them. You're just gathering them in your hand.
For the Reese's Pieces.
I can't eat any.
This is... Oh, my man, just relax.
This is Joe. You're so deprived.
No,
This is Joe. He's my...
talking to me, brother. He's like, you take the dang things and get out of my face. Come back. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to take all the ingredients.
No, Joe. Bad Joe.
just said to put all the ingredients in the bowl and mix them till smooth.
Joe, you know that's not what I said, Joe.
What'd you say? I'm on a little bit of a sugar high. What did you say?
Just say the words, don't actually do anything.
Spider!
Burn the house down.
Lisa, no.
It's coming at me. No, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Where is it?
Good job.
That's how you kill a spider.
Look at this. Look at this.
Worked hard on it.
Look at this masterpiece I've been making. All by myself. No help from no one. Tony's not helping at all.
Oh,
Joshua's being a disturbance.
he's a clown. I'm a clown.
That sounds like a snake.
Is there soda in here?
Oh, I think that's a defroster working.
Freak me out, Joe.